So impi vele iqhubekile yaze yafika kuPori ke nema ifika kuPori seyifika ekugcineni uyangunderstand.
So was Pori featured in the song? So I think that he's taking more advantage ukuthi yena uye esikolweni kungidlula lava madala lava yawo into ayisebenzisayo eParliament. It's okay to go to school ne, but at some other point akusizo zonke izinto esifuna isigela.
konke kube right ngegama lenkosi yethu enguJesu Kristu manje naphakade. Amen.
Amen.
4 vocalists,
Sure, 4 vocalists,
2 producers.
2 producers, yeah? Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
All right.
And
Which one is this one? Sila. 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 Location. Sila. 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 Location. Sila. Ewe. Ila. Ese. Mira. Eita. Hola. Don't rest. Boga. Let's roll. Waza. Just vibes. Hola. Live life. Ila. Location. Sila. Sila.
Sesikhona. Zasha.
Yeah.
are we guys?
Yeah. We are on. Should I start then?
Sesikhona.
Kunento nifuna ukuyisho before siqala.
Yeah.
Nifuna ukuthandaza.
Ay.
Mara, we
Thina
must
sithandaza
normalize that thing. It's
Thandaza
important, hey?
persona.
It's important, hey?
Yeah, to pray.
That one.
Oh,
pray.
to
so
pray.
that
Each and
our
every
podcast-
function.
Oh.
All right, guys.
Pray for us.
Valana mehlo. Baba Jehova, siyakhuleka namuhla siza kuwe sizingane zakho Somandla wezulu. Sibika konke okukithi okwaziyo nawe Nkosi ukuthi yini esikufunayo ngalo hlelo esilenzayo Somandla. Sithi siyakucela Nkosi akube khona impumelelo. Siyazama njengoba sizama Somandla ukuthi ekugcineni kwakhona sikwazi ukuthi sibe nento enhle ezothandwa ngumphakathi. Ngakho ke sithi sicela amandla akho athinte munye ngamunye ozobukela le show esoyenza namuhla ukuthi bonke bayithande, bonke basubscribe uNkulunkulu onamandla onke. Sicela impumelelo yaphambili, sicela ukuthi njengoba sikhuleka namuhla ube kanye nathi Nkosi. Sicela ukuthi ugeze ingqondo zethu, sicela ukuthi usithinte ngesandla sakhe esimhlophe ngoba washo ngisho eBhayibhelini ukuthi wena isandla sakho mase sithinta suke sesithintwe isandla esiyingcwele. Siyakucela ke lobu ingcwele Somandla ukuthi buvele maphakathi nakithi ukuthi konke kube right ngegama lenkosi yethu enguJesu Kristu manje naphakade. Amen.
Amen. Yeah,
Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show.
Welcome back, Bafethu. Siyabonga for umthandazo. That was good.
Bayangikhulekisa
Yeah.
bafethu. Hayi,
Hey, now.
these stars.
I was figuring today. I'm so fasting.
These stars.
Fasting of fast.
Uyozohleza athanda.
I'm sure fasting.
Yeah.
Bafethu labantu laba.
Welcome back, Bafethu.
Okay guys, siku episode 10.
Number 10,
Sky Toast. Just to episode 10. Just to episode 10.
10 Kosti.
Uyazi lapho sisonke.
Number 2 kuwe.
No, siyabonga kakhulu guys ukuhlala nathi. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nihlezi ninathi ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Yeah.
Njengoba sikhona namhlanje sithi episode 10.
Number
Oh,
10.
wait, shout out.
Hashtag Sila.
To subscribe, siyabonga. To those who always watch our podcast, Bafethu,
Siyabonga,
thank you.
siyabonga.
And then don't forget to always share. Don't forget to always comment, Bafethu.
Yes.
Ukshare is always important because other people gonna subscribe when they are seeing when you share it. It means you have watched this thing and then it's
Yes.
important. They're also gonna watch it. So
Yeah.
Bafethu say we thank you, Bafethu.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Since we on episode 10, guys, I feel like sikhulume kakhulu ngama politicians, but le topic le hayi kumele ngiqale ngayo.
Yeah,
Guys,
yeah.
strike uMackenzie.
Again,
Gayton,
yes.
striker lesiyana nje yami. Yabona striker lesiyana. Kodwa baphikisene ke eParliament with uNdlonzi. Yambona uNdlonzi
Yeah, Honorable
e-EFF.
Ndlozi,
Did you
yes.
watch that scenario? God damn, bro. uMackenzie ne?
Yes.
He called uNdlonzi ngo-Ice Boy.
Yes, sir.
But Ankiri Mackenzie was speaking.
Yes.
Yabo Parliament.
uh,
Ornaling i-president to say, President siyakubonga for ukuthi wasilalela ama-city, President siyakubonga wasilalela kwathiwa nje point of order, uyabo?
yes.
Uyamazi kuDlonzi the smartest. Wakhuluma and then makakhuluma laphayana ilokhu ihleli yana esitulweni imbhekile yabo, ubona ukuthi like all I'm saying is Mackenzie is way too smart, guys, ukuthi asikakamazi yabo.
Yeah,
But I feel like that guy is smart mfana yabo, because he paid attention to what Dlonzi is saying, and then after he's like, no Dlonzi, mina don't tell me about education.
Yeah.
First of all, when we are just an ice boy, you are being sent
Yes, sir.
to do this and that.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Nale education yakho.
You understand? So my man, it really made me laugh. So I was like, let's just kick off the show with the topic. And I just want to know, what do you think about Dlonzi? If on your perspective, what do you think about him?
You know, Honorable Ndlozi, ne? We know what now he's actually Dr. Honorable Ndlozi. So I think that he's taking more advantage ukuthi yena uye esikolweni kungidlula lava madala lava yawo into ayisebenzisa eParliament. It's okay to go to school, ne? But at some other point akusize zonke izinto ezifuna isigela.
Sure.
uMackenzie asile ukuthi you went to school but now you are just an ice boy. Yena kayanga esikolweni but ubheka ukuthi minister manje.
Sure.
So
makes sense.
You can be educated, but be smart to use your education where is needed. Here's what I noticed about him, because I love him, that guy.
I like that guy.
What I noticed about him, this day since he's a doctor.
Can you Gosman, sorry, can you go to that story? You're on it. Okay. Remember to use your mic correctly there, Chief. Yeah, you were saying?
Get closer, Chief. Get closer.
You were saying?
Since we call him doctor these days, he just pop up each and everywhere. Point of order, and then he correct you.
If he tried to correct Mackenzie,
that's what I want.
He was saying that's out of order. You must withdraw that. That nigga didn't withdraw shit. He just put him in his position. I was like, "Hi, Baba, when." This is your position. So you see, with education, all I'm gonna say, education is key to success. We all know that. But at the end of the day, you must not take chances with whatever you've obtained as somebody. Let's say today, for an example, I go study law and I obtain maybe masters of law. And then now when I do something, then when you bring in that law or to say now, you don't have to do this, you do this by law, it says, you understand? What if I don't even understand the ethics of law?
Of laws.
You understand?
So
at some point, education is good, but don't try to prove for us that when you the best. Fine. You know, there's being smart and there's being intelligent.
Yes.
You understand? Those two things, they differ.
Yeah.
You understand?
Two different people.
So apparently there's a photo of
on the mic on
the 21 of August.
Yeah, can you
I'm gonna show them right now.
Can you put your mic, bro?
Yeah. So there's a photo of Malema and Ndlozi sitting together. So Malema is laughing and Ndlozi is also laughing.
So
and
what's
it
the
was
story?
published on the 21 of August.
No, that's all stuff, man. That's all stuff. No, just search Gayton Mackenzie versus
and also
yeah. Search that. Gayton Mackenzie versus Ndlonzi, and then we will talk about that. My guy, let me start here. You understand?
Yeah.
there's different departments of things, right? So arts and culture, it gives opportunities to most of the youth,
Yeah.
but I fail to understand why those are opportunities that they implement to give abantu. Yeah, I understand. It's being given to like old guys, bro.
Nah.
If now you can have your PPE certificate, your business in plan, you understand, your profile, your whatever, you won't get a tender. You
I
understand?
get you.
But somebody within those big cabinet will get that
Will get
tender,
that tender,
not youth.
yes.
You understand? So I feel like a youth unemployment is khona, my brother. I'm sorry.
Until until when? Until those old guys in ANC they
Yeah.
die. Because you know why what I noticed about ANC,
Yeah.
I'm old timers, right? Yes, sifela into kuqala.
Yeah.
Sifela ukuthi bona they went to Robben Island into kuqala. Sifela ukuthi basilwele. So they think ukuthi because of basilwele, they have to rule until they die. Serious. That's
You
why
sure?
lama tender. Serious. That's why lama tender baphana bodo.
Sure, man.
Two point
Sure.
tender to figure thina besokole Robben Island.
Even
You get what I'm saying?
even if they can give you a tender, man. Bazo, let me make an example to say baniga a young man or a young woman a tender. It won't be a tender of those 50 something millions like infrastructure,
Yes,
your
bakunika
road,
nje.
what bakunika ukuthi upende ikolo, what yes,
Yeah.
siyayifuna leyo 50K, it's fine, but those major tenders ngeke mfana iwele ku youth.
Wangazibuzi for example into engale kwe-ANC ithini i-youth ekwe-ANC abafuni ukuba ama-minister bona.
Because there's youth league, bro.
How?
There's youth
But
league.
we don't
Since
see them
kwahamba
in
umalema,
parliament.
since kwahamba umalema youth league, bra, ay.
We don't see them in parliament. Why? Abafuni ukuba ama-minister bona, abafuni ukuba ama-president one day.
Maybe bayaba silencer, we don't know.
Hayi.
You understand? So, ukuqhubeka nje nohlelo, bro. We did say ku last podcast ukuthi uKaysol uzokhipha ingoma. Nkule Kaysol kuwo onke ama platforms, Nkule Kaysol. Guys, please do support that song. Siyakhipha ke nathi siyakhipha. I think kuzoba 2 times DJ Tupo uzo release a single, and then Titans and DJ Tupo bazokhipha ingoma again.
Okay.
So there's a lot. And it's funny how the song was made, bro. You understand? We invited this guy, Titans is a guitarist, you know. So some invite a studio. I think we were at Two Souls Music.
Okay.
Things were just okay, fine, you know. And then we came back. When we came back, we're here now with DJ Two Boy Productions, you know.
Yeah.
He made the song. We understand. And I'm like, yo, bro, you see this part? Yeah, young Shaya, can we do something like this? Aisha, boy, you understand? And then he went home with that beat.
Yes.
Guess what? When he was at Two Souls Music, he learned a Satan plugin that I won't say by name because Kyobangat is plugaband. Often information is on inbox and yangas. You understand? So he used that plugin to ghost. Check your mic, King. Check your mic. So what happened was he used that plugin alone. When he came back with the beat like DJ 2 production, damn, that song was nice. The name of the song is Your Touch, by the way. So be on the lookout for that one. Let me fix this thing.
Shout out to Titans, man. Shout out to Titans. Sondela. Yes. All right, akabonakala. Mina ngazi saba nini senuka.
Oh yeah. Niyazi ke la ekhaya ukuthi sisayizamela Nkosi yami, whatever we face, we have to deal with it, but okusalayo ziyakhala.
Siyaphambili noma sokola kanje siyaphambili. And by the way bafethu, we are in Two Souls Studios bafethu. Two Souls Studios uyakwazi ukuzofika nami ufuna ukupodcast awuze sokushidela sokueditele sokuproducele.
Sure.
And then uyakwazi ufika ukhulume no Two Boy, even our guy Titans, even our guy Kaysol ukuze bakuproducele music yakho.
Sure.
singer. Uyakwazi, we do anything, everything, guys.
A
Let's do
talented
so.
singer.
Yeah.
A talented singer, not just any singer. If you come, if you come to Two Souls Music, man, you must come ready. You must come knowing that you are talented. As Valeli Muntu,
Yeah.
ngiyazi ukuthi ama artist ayazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani mangithi just come to us if you want help with music. You must come talented.
Yes.
Seeking help for production. We gonna
for you.
we definitely gonna we are here for you.
Yeah.
Hashtag Sila.
Yeah.
Danke Ghost.
Yeah.
Ghost many ikuma steroids.
Yes.
Yeah, ubona
Happy.
manje yazokala. Usuhleli kamnandi manje yazokala. Hayi lento yakho bokuhleli.
Khona ingoma siyenze nabo namamjita wami bathiwa yinto sijikile bathi ingoma izinto sesijikile yabona
Yini yakho,
naningile ngifeature amanye ama-artist kulaa ngoma leya bro
Sure.
bro it's gonna be a hit
When
Sure.
is it gonna be released?
upouring yamfuna kuleya ngoma mina
Hey, nizile madoda.
Lele. Hayi asazi zizokhala. Okay.
upouring ngoma amena nge
When you say guys you made the song nibaningi engomeni uthinta i-topic sensitive esizokhuluma ngayo. My question to you, how many are you in a song?
6
You guys are 6 in a song.
yeah
Where did you guys make a song? When was the song made? Like
the song is complicated
Complicated kanjani?
there was a beat and then that beat they introduced us
who produces the beat?
Anonymous
Anonymous
I'm not ready
Palasumu.
to mention
Anonymous.
Yeah, but Chief,
Okay,
you
okay.
can't he can't be coming here to us and say now we must promote his song to say he's gonna drop a song
How
and then he
much
say
they
hi
promote-
I can't talk
Who
ukuthi
Anonymous?
ngibani.
But you are Anonymous.
no
Who produces the beat, bro?
no
Ayo Cosman wethu. Yeah, Cosman.
no
All right,
Let's
asindlule. Sizokhuluma ke.
I can't.
Singene kuma-topic.
Yeah.
I'm trying to teach someone here.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is let's
Who's
pass
watching?
let's pass because I
Trying
think
to teach something here.
okay, teach, preach.
All right. Oh. So the song we are 60. 4 vocalists,
Sure, 4 vocalists,
2 producers.
2 producers, yeah? Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
All right.
And
I-
in that department, there's someone
sure.
that one who must make us that song. We gave it to him. I can't mention his name right now.
Sure.
Mara is the one we gave them the song, right? To say, okay, bro. It's like the example of the story we're gonna speak about right now.
Sure. Can you put your mouth on the mic, sir?
It relates.
Sure.
Hey, it's crazy, man.
It relates with what, Chief? Can you just
What happened
tell our
just
fans?
this week?
Can you put your mic on the mic, sir?
Yeah.
Sure.
What happened this week is what happened.
This guy speaks like MT. I'm sorry, but do you know MT?
The hustle.
MT, yeah. Did you see his
But
podcast?
ukhuluma njengaye, Chief.
Yo, bruh.
No,
He
that
was
guy
like,
is too
you.
smart, bro.
He's too smart and he's too funny, but the way he speaks,
TV.
yo.
Creativity and stuff. That nigga, you must respect him.
I know,
Forget.
but
All
the way he
right.
speaks,
Ah,
it's
yeah,
like
but-
the way you're speaking. He
Serious.
was like, yeah, I was in apartheid.
All right, what do you have, Chief? What do you have? Because you know,
Man, you know what I do have?
yeah,
Before I'm talking about this topic, now I want to ask you guys,
sure.
what will you do if you get 1.3 million?
Oh, okay. Can I answer first?
Yes.
First thing first, with 1.3
3 million.
million. Okay.
Yes.
First thing first, you guys know that I'm a musician, right?
Yes.
So first thing first, to me, I'll buy a house where I'll build a studio inside, right?
Yes.
So
yes.
probably a house will cost something like your 800K.
Yes. Yes.
You understand? And then my studio setup in that mill Obviously 800 sekusele emalini boma 200k, right?
Yes.
I'm gonna build a studio inside my
Inside the house, yes.
Inside my house, not the house, my house. You understand? You must underline, chief. You must underline. So 800k, I would rather spend it on a house because obviously I'll be staying nama artist, nama producer. You understand?
Yes.
Ngizoba comfort, ngizoba welcome kwami. You understand?
Yes.
Talented artists and producers. So with 200k, I know it's not enough, but ngizozama ukuthi on one of the rooms ngenze i-studio enough for all of us.
All of
We
us,
understand?
yes.
And obviously that 300k ezosala a second-hand car ezosinela sonke masiya kuma events.
Yeah.
That's how I'm gonna spend my thing.
That's good. That's good. Titan.
Yeah.
I mean, not Titans. What do you do? Our ghost man. Why do I keep saying Titans? Why is Titans in my head?
Maybe it's okay. Esingile.
Esingilathi our ghost man.
Ash mina into ngizoyekela zona lezo.
Ezokuthini?
Zona lezo zokukhohlakhohlwa what izinto.
Aye.
Okay, let's continue. What would you do with ukushanga figurative? Usho ukuthi kahle ahliyeke. So my guy, the question still stands on the table. What are you going to do with 1.3 million as yet?
Speak through the mic, don't forget.
Mina on my side, bro, I would actually buy a studio, maybe 200k, maybe. I mean, I sell up 1.3 ne, okay, 200k. The studio ain't like 500. Sinkhulumela ne-apartment la ngizobhadala.
All right, I think nama-fans wethu understand ukuthi uGosman wethu asimuzwa makakhuluma, you understand?
Yeah.
Still
So
learning how to podcast.
yeah, he's still new, guys. Akazwakali at all, and I feel like sizoyijumpa le question because siyahamba la sonke siyakhuluma sine energy lana, and if he's gonna be keeping on doing this, guys, sogcine simkhatha off. Asikisini, guys, but somnika ichance yokugcina. Let's go. Continue from that point.
All right. I would buy a proper studio equipment. Just buy everything musically. It's gonna sustain me. Property wise, ngangena property ngiked. Shanke le mali lo property. At least imali engasala ngayo mina ngasho. Maybe 500k yeah, sharp from that 1.3 mil. Mina I'm capable of doing. I'm saying the 1.3 mil that you're talking about, me, I can ngasala nge 300k
Okay.
for survival nje.
Okay, cool.
And then mali enye le mina ngingaspanisa mfethu ngimentionile ukuthi
Uyiphuza. Awuzoyiphuza. Akuzoyishaya lokho. Lokho kuzoyiphuza lokho. I'm telling you. I know my Gosman, bro. Awuzoyiphuza.
Aye.
Uzothi makahamba ayothenga athi ngiyako Mohammed mina ngiyothenga istudio afika ahlale lapha na eTigers konje Chicky Tigers the whole day. I know this guy.
Yeah.
So yeah man, let's continue.
You know Mina, what I will do.
Yeah,
Since I love podcasting,
sure.
I won't go to acting school. I'm good at that shit. I'll go to do a radio presentation and
Sure.
being a radio producer
Sure.
with my 100k, keeping the rest.
Yeah.
After that, I will know that the investment is only to money.
Sure.
Man, keep it 900 and something.
Sure.
And then I will buy my first truck. I want
Sure.
to get some truck owner.
Sure, man.
Yeah, that's what I
That's
can.
power, man.
So, there's a guy. Let us say
Sure.
There's a hero here.
And remember when I said property is investment as well.
Yes,
Yeah.
obvious. Yes.
Eventually, when I own a house and a studio, the songs that are gonna come out there, they go bring money
Yeah.
back again. So
People will
it's-
pay now the booty. Okay, so I'm
I charge, man. I charge. I charge.
So there's a guy from Pumalanga.
Yeah.
We need money.
who got his ref money 1.3, actually it's not 1.3, but he uses 1.3 million
Sure.
to build his village some tanks so that they can be
Nice.
supplied for some
Water.
water because they've
Nice.
been struggling with some water for some years.
Nice.
And then he said that he's doing this because he was being hurt with when seeing his community traveling 5 kilometers to get water every
What
day.
what did he do before?
Before, like, I don't
Before
understand.
he
He got
obtained
the,
this money.
he was working. Let me check. He was working and then he got the accident while he was going to.
Oh, so it's rough money.
It's a rough money.
Oh,
Yes.
road accident
Road
fund
accident
money.
fund money.
Okay.
And then
Okay.
what is surprised me is says that the government spent more than 48 million to win the project on Pumalang and then they failed. But this guy just used only 1.3 million.
Yeah, to build all of this
to
thing.
use that thing.
Yeah, it comes back to a topic that we once talked about, right?
Yes.
Our Gosman is disturbing the camera there, but guys, today.
It's fine, let's go.
All right. All I'm gonna say is, you know, when a tender comes from the government, there's a lot of guys who are there in control of that money. Sorry, that money. You understand? So somebody must get his or her own share. Somebody must get his or
Own share.
her. You understand?
Meh.
So this guy just decided himself that, you know what, I'm gonna do this alone,
Loan.
no government included.
Yes.
You understand?
Yo.
So eventually 1.3 million ikwazile ukuyenza yonke leyo leyo project.
yes,
You
leyo
understand?
project.
So to answer your question ukuthi why government babanika maybe 80 million to do izinto ezi-right for i-community but zigcine zingapheleli.
Zingapheleli.
Same thing I'm saying ukuthi baningi abantu abakulelo tender and bagcine hafulelana imali
Yeah.
igcine ingenzanga yonke lento le. There was a news currently. There's a school just that I forgot where. Gosman, can you search there uthi a rural school that needs toilets. We understand. Ngathi kodwa it's akwazi ukuhlangana nayo leyo ndaba leyo.
No,
But
man.
Kubhek nama-toilet awayo nokuwa iy'ngane zabantu ezinye ziyareytwa uma ziyochama
No.
yena, you understand?
No way.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm speaking facts, guys. It's just that sengikhohlwe igama lesikolo, but kuney'ngane nje eziwu-2 ezareytwa kulesa sikolo lesiyana because uma kumele ziyochama kumele zesikhotheni.
yo.
We understand, ziyochama.
Yes.
So bakhuluma ke labo sisi labana ukuthi siyitholile i-funding from government what million, you understand?
Ukuthi sakhe lama toilet.
Yeah, and mawabuka lama-toilet akhona, they don't deserve even a million, bro.
Eish, uyabona yinto
They don't deserve a
esayo.
million those toilets, bro. Ushaya ivosho uma uya kulela toilet. Bakhe nje kahle la ngaphandle, you understand? So it goes back to what you were saying ukuthi why uma kuyi-tender ye-government bakunika imali engaka engama-million but still umsebenzi awubi awudeserve leya look yaleya mali or leya amount ukuthi okay sikunike 34 million or 18 million or 8 million
Mara wenza
ukuthi
i-maths.
wakhele lesikolo lesama-toilet but lama-toilet wakhona uma wabuka mhlambe acosta nje 20,000 rand.
Uthole nje umalambana akha ama toilet
You understand?
5,000 phezu kwalokho.
So it's like that. I think even musically kukanjalo, bro. You understand? Look at what they did to something Soweto.
Ne.
I won't say they did to him,
What's going on with something so
or
because I didn't
maybe
get that story.
or maybe it's something that he did egcine yenza ukuthi kufike kule situation leyo. You understand? Because remember, I'll say this now and I'll just raise facts. Something Soweto, he's one of South Africa's talented vocalists.
Vocalist, yes.
We understand.
Yes.
His voice is special.
Yes.
A lot of these youngsters, they've learned from him, like the style of singing into amapiano.
Yeah, some
vibe.
more.
You understand?
Yes.
The actual
Can you put your mic on, Sizogoz?
you should like style Savannah, yeah. You did mention sound. Bro. Some other
So-
artists, they actually sound like him.
So So you know I
To
am.
that extent.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
crazy, bro.
We want to hear you. You must put your mic here. Yeah,
Post him
but
up,
it's
put your
okay.
mic,
It's
put your
okay.
1 minute and then-
It's okay. It's okay, bro. I think in Teballegile with this issue is why enze lento la yenzile, and then i-answer izothi bekafuna ama-masters wale ngoma
Oh,
or not ale ngoma
Oh,
yonke,
Tupoy.
but bekafuna ukuthi ama-splits abe khona.
2 point.
Maybe, I don't know.
Wenzeni kanti? Phela
Okay, something Soweto made a song with Mass Music from Tembisa, the boy from
Oh,
Tembisa,
yes,
right?
yes.
So big shout out to Mass Music.
Yeah,
He
yeah,
once
yeah,
came
yeah,
to our event in Simbukile. So big shout out to you, my guy.
Yeah.
So Mass Music bekano angazi noma Starboy noma Stabani lomunye.
Hey, Staban.
No, Star
Oh.
bani
Oh,
what mangithi
oh.
bani what hayi lento icabanga hey waye yena yamazi nani Star, okay, Star something ke
Yeah,
Star
yeah.
something TO Star something. No, can you confirm who's on that song? And then Soweto obviously pull up with a amazing hook kuleya ngoma leyana kuthi amalanga wafani yabo amalanga
Yes.
wafani angazi what angakayazi kahle le ngoma, you know.
Yeah.
I just got it today via
Via lama rumors la or lama como
No, I got the song. I got the song via
Oh.
somebody.
Okay.
Via somebody.
Why
you
ka
know.
boom le ngoma?
I think if I shut it down, if I shut it down, maybe YouTube bangayithola, but mina I got it from somebody vele via
Yeah, thina
you know.
sayithola ku. I see.
Come on, I'm a DJs, I know people, yeah. So yeah, wase uyakhala ke because ufuna ukukhipha ingoma, like he wanted to release a song, bro, like something Soweto wanted to release. I mean something Soweto didn't want to release a song without ukuthi obtain ama masters ipart yakhe, uyang understand. Yeah, siyaza Gosman. So kule part yakhe ayenzile. Because remember, when you make a song, we are all here. Let's say we are 3 or 4 here, ne?
Yes.
And then now, if we make one song together, wonke umuntu kumele abe ne-split sakhe.
Sakhe,
Certain
yes.
percent, that's what split means. You understand? So yena bagcine bakhipha ingoma Mass Music,
Yeah.
mabayikhipha ku Twitter, ku X, yena wathi wafaka inhliziyo ebuhlungu. Quoting Mass
yeah.
Music. So when you quote Mass Music kuposte into ingoma, it's out now, bese wena ofeatureishwe engomeni you retweet ingoma with a broken heart. You are not happy nengoma. Uyang understand?
Yes.
So impi vele iqhubekile yaze yafika ku-Pori ke nema ifika ku-Pori seyifika ekugcineni, uyang understand?
So was Pori featured in the song?
Regardless, Pori will be featured. Pero Mass Music
What
is
is the
signed.
producer in the song?
Because of you are using my electricity, then
I'm saying Por is the producer in the song.
because you are using my computer I'm in.
What do you mean when you say Pori was the producer on this song?
What I'm saying is that Amalanga Wafani
Yeah.
Put it here.
dropped on the 23rd of September, right? It was distributed by Sony under Sony Music Entertainment PLT or PTY Ltd, and allocated performer Mass Music and Lord Weezy featuring TO Star Quality.
Yeah, TO Star Quality.
Oh, I
Kwama-
stubborn.
I
DJ Maphorisa.
Star Banban.
Sometimes I think nginamanje mina bengingibonanga.
So all I'm saying,
Okay.
all I'm saying
Okay,
is
ibuye
ukuthi
futhi, mamela angisho usothi uyangekho.
Put it here, man, Kosti.
Usothi uyangekho. Ingena manje le imari technology yamanje namasimba. Blind. Technology blind.
Ungena manje
Ngibonanga phela
kanjani? I don't understand you.
For real, let me tell you the truth, my man. I'm not dumb. I don't
Put it
live
here.
in a
okay, yabana ayeye ne mina lento leso
the
yenza
composer,
ibe
lyricist Howard Ukomba. A producer Thabo Ngumane. Producer Themba
Thabo Ngumane ne, it's Mass
Siko.
Music. Howard, it's Howard lo bekasayinwe nguye uMaphorisa. I don't know if they still have a relationship company.
Yeah.
So I just
Okay.
wanted to clarify and understand the story before azokhuluma uGosman, you understand? So bengifuna ukusho ukuthi
Labantu labangcela.
okay.
ngiyaqala lo msangano.
Composer.
Yeah.
Lyrics. Tshiliso Mapulana. Composer lyrics Zamkelo.
Put it here.
Baningi.
Man, because you can't tell you always to put your mic here. Yabona mina ngihleli kanjani, but I
Yeah.
make sure ukuthi ngibala.
Okay. Mara nizwi.
Okay guys, sharp ke. Nitholile uGhost ikhulumile, siyabonga dog. Big shout out to you one more time. So let me just clarify this so that we can just validate this ndaba ne. And then if a song is gonna be published out or it's gonna be released, you understand?
Yes.
Every artist that was there must be mentioned. Ibizwa ngama credits lento leyo, you understand? And when you credit somebody, umcredita with a certain percent ukuthi bekakhona engomeni, wenza something engomeni, you understand? So ukhumbule ngithi mina I'm not against uPori, he's my role model, bra, ngimthanda blind, you understand? So if igama lakhe likhona da, then he had something to do with the song, simple, you understand? So now if something Soweto will say now, mina I need my masters, and then you send lawyers back and forth ukuthi ingoma ingaphumi without me getting ama master engoma or my certain percent per se, you understand?
Yeah.
So issue ibe ngalokho Grandshap.
Oh.
You understand? A song was made, it's a hit, but now something Soweto wanted the masters.
Masters, okay.
Or maybe ama credits, but ubhale ukuthi as long as ama masters are allocated accordingly.
Alright.
So should kumele wathola ama masters wakhe nobani bana wathola wakhe and
Okay.
stuff. That's why kuze kungenelele nama lawyer and so forth, uyabo?
Okay.
So sesibuya ke ku question yokuthi should we be worried ne-industry yala South Africa musically?
Yeah, I think so.
You understand?
I
Because
think
these
so.
youngsters, something Soweto is not even a youngster. He's an old man in
He's
the
an
game.
old, yeah, just ukuthi simaze.
It's just that
Yeah.
ube ne downfall, sanga samuzwa.
Yeah.
But this song obviously bese seyizombeka kule zinga leli. You understand? Angisho ukuthi angeke imbenge.
Manje bamfakile.
Yeah. Probably issues were resolved. Big shout out to that.
So
Okay.
nikhulumile vele.
Big shout out to that, yabo.
Alright.
Because that song, man, it's fire, you understand? And ngiyayibuza ukuthi okay, Howard naye bekakhona ushaye some hooknyana naye laphaya, and Howard used to talk bad about Pori ku podcast ka Mac, you understand?
Oh.
So kuyaxolelana vele bro, akekho umuntu ongayenzi mistake, you understand?
Yeah.
Nomlindo naye wamringa blind but baxolelana, you understand?
But do you think ukuthi ukuringa blind or ukukhuluma iqiniso? Inkinga thina eSouth Africa
Sometimes ivari limosha kakhulu, washo
But
Quest.
why can't I just speak the truth, guys?
Because there's a main guy okungamelanga ukhulume ngaye kabi.
But don't you think ukuthi mangikhuluma iqiniso ngenzela ukuthi if uGhost afuna ukuba iproducer angazi kuwe azolahleka?
Showcase.
Ngikhuluma.
Those
If I
are
don't-
facts.
If I
Those
don't
are
speak,
facts.
then it means uGhost uzoza athi
Those are straight facts.
ukwenza ingoma now still siyafa mos. We are not going anywhere.
Those are straight facts, my man. Ivari kumele kube ivari as always, but kunabantu abangalithandi iqiniso, and once wakhuluma iqiniso baphazamise emalini, you understand? So akekho kumuntu ofuna ukuphazamiseka emalini yakhe. That's why ngize ngayibuka ne live kaPori da, you understand? It was really painful, bro, because mina I understand what he did for the game, bro. You understand? That guy fought for ipiano. Amapiano, I mean, you understand?
Yeah.
He really fought. Intwana seziyadla manje. Anybody now can just blow up nge-sound yepiano, you understand?
Yeah.
Naba bolimeke,
Hey, shut
you
up, guy.
understand?
Yeah.
Naba bo BK, naba bo Tycoon, naba bo, like there's a lot of young stars that are naba bo Sticks, naba bo TRP. Like there's a lot of young stars that are eating from ipiano because of uPori, you understand?
So,
Angisho ukuthi uPoro bathathe ngamakhala ke, wabathatha ke ngekhala wabafaka it's just that ipiano uvele wayithatha wayisa kwenye indlela should ube nenye vision because uPori hit ukwazi ukulizwa nje likhala lisenze ukuthi i hit song ke
Hit
le,
song, yeah.
you understand? So as much as bangamblame, I think igame yakho idlala grand game, you understand.
Yeah.
Baningi abangakhala yabo like abose ngiyamncanywa nose he's a good vocalist, usetrill ngiyamncanywa,
Yeah,
understand.
yeah.
So baningi abakhala ngaye vele upori yabo, but nje kimi there's nothing really I can say bad about him. He's been pushing ipiano grand.
Yeah.
Sewukuthi ke ozokhala umuntu uzokhala ngendlela yakhe naye, you understand.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Vele, yes.
It's like that.
yes,
It's like that. It's like that.
So, hey, kunezinto eziningi bezenzakala eLimpopo these past 2 weeks, guys.
Kwenzakalani?
Ukuthi
Thiwe iMoria beyivaliwe ndoda.
ivuliwe ngithi manje.
Beyivaleleni,
Since
beyivaleleni.
from Corona.
Since from COVID.
Yes.
Hayi,
Phela that guy got crowd, bro.
uyabona ke manje makuzoya abantu manje.
Do you know how many people who goes to Moria, population engale Moria bathe uyivulile? Do you think wena bayingaka abantu abalini?
Obviously outlianisa nokushaya ama 100,000 yabantu
Just
bro.
imagine say 100. What do you think goes? Bayingaka abantu
Maningi.
how many? Just estimate number.
Nani.
You know,
Province. Nani.
100K.
100K.
You mean 100K incane ne?
You know,
Why?
the last estimated number when they are there, there were 10 point something million people
God damn.
going to Moria, bro.
God damn, bro.
Just imagine.
God damn, bro.
Yo, so that's why it's
Abantu
closed to Utiana.
And
But
manje-
what baningi?
100,000.
Yeah, I'm
For a
trying
province
now.
one, it's enough. Sina 9 provinces la eMzansi. 100,000.
Sure. I know. So uthi kwenzakalani eLimpopo bafo? Phela womkhaya bakho la mfethu.
There was a guy who tried to kill himself just because of he couldn't produce children.
Esan.
So what we shut in a fire.
Là, aujourd'hui aussi, c'est un autre jour. Là. Le monde part en couille. Non. J'ai du mal à imaginer ce genre de ces trucs-là. J'ai même pas fini avec les filles. C'est les garçons qui maintenant qui... Ah.
Oh, so he couldn't produce children and then he decided to commit suicide.
Suicide, yes. So
So
what he went to the bush and then what at the petrol was Taylor was light. Kubonisa ukuthi naye ecele ngodlala amaqeda ukuzilayitha bathi uzilayithele duze nemarule mine bese yagijimela ngale mine to get help mara bekade yazibulala mafika ngale abantu bomine bamcima ngama-fire extinguishers abizi ambulance.
this guy was not serious.
I don't think he was serious because you know when you're committing suicide you will make sure ukuthi no one sees you.
That guy was not serious.
He was not serious.
Mina ngikhulumile go past episode ye podcast yethu ne ngathi in terms of abantu ukuthi bayibulale like committing suicide and stuff, ezinye izinto benziwa yi-pressure. Yothothi nasendlini lo mjida bese sekatshelwa nje ukuthi you're useless when you can't even make it, tshelwa umuntu athandana naye uyabo.
Sometimes even ask amajita in the street.
Yeah, ila ma comments bengikhuluma ngawo ukuthi mind your comments bro. I-comment yakho ingafica omunye umuntu like emthole down, very down in a manner that bro, if I just read this and this, bro, there's nothing I'm living for anymore, you know. And then so yeah man, all I'm saying is I so wish that people could ease on taking their lives, man, or that thought of taking your life.
Taking your life.
Just take it easy, man. there's a lot of help you can get out there. There are a lot of doors that you can go to and you might get help. You
Rather than
understand?
killing yourself.
It's
Killing
not an
yourself is
option.
not an option.
It's not
not
an
a solution.
option, man.
First of all, there are a lot of people who loves you out of there.
Yeah, it's not an option, man.
Killing yourself is not an option because angazi ukuthi ngibeke kanjani
Yeah.
lento. Even nathi majita siyeke lento lokuthi we always negative on abantu. If I know ukuthi someone can make it, why then do I have to shut it out? Ukuthi,
It's
you
social
can't make it.
media,
Come
chief.
on,
It's
guys,
social
come on.
media, chief. You
Come
know,
on.
social media. Hey, that's the biggest devil, man. Social media, it's the biggest devil, brother. I'm telling you. You might have faith, you might go to church, but as soon as you touch your laptop, your phone, posting a picture, people knowing very well that when you don't make kids and your wife uhlabang banbani, bro, like you are useless, and they will say some things that will hurt you
That will hurt
eventually.
you.
So, man, fair the chance, fair the chance, fair the chance.
Suicide, you must understand ukuthi akusuwiwani umuntu emhlabeni unenkinga.
Hence, I'm saying there are doors you can knock and get
It's
help.
okay to be not okay as umuntu. You will learn from not being okay as umuntu.
You understand?
So just ukuthi nje suicide total, come on, guys, come
Yeah.
on.
No, I.
As ngishilo ukuthi there was happening in Limpopo.
A lot.
Kitchen fence.
Big shout out to mngani wami, big shout out Ghostman.
Oui.
Episode 10, gents, like saqala singazi ukuthi sofika lana, you know,
Yeah.
by faith, by hard work, we are here. Hashtag silana manje, uyangithola. So
yes.
we ain't stopping. Sisazowafaka lama video ku YouTube, guys. Sisazokhuluma izinto ezirelevant. Sisazonihlekisa ngendlela esinihlekisa ngayo.
Still gonna
Sazonilethela ama guest. Ningawari. So
yes.
thank you. Siyabonga. Nibe nenhliziyo yokusubscribe, nibe nenhliziyo yokuthi we are only here to educate, to love you,
Keep on speaking.
you know, and niqhubeke nje njalo ni support. Thank you to everybody who has been with us from episode 1 until now to 10. Thank you so much. We respect you. Utshele nabanye, share the link, sicela ni subscribe guys, sizokwazi ukuthi sonke sidle, sizokwazi nathi ukunceda abanye abantu, you understand? So if you are watching this and you have came to this part, that means this part is the end of it. Uyizwile message ebalekile.
Yes.
Subscribe, share the link, sizokwazi nathi ukuthi sinceda abanye abantu ngelinye ilanga.
That was beautiful, Yawa. That was beautiful. Not anything to share, Ghostman.
Away, I'm saying, guys,
Speak through the mic, bruh.
let's enjoy our weekend. This coming weekend.
Oh yeah.
It's a two-boy Ashilo. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to. I didn't say my intro. This podcast, this episode, I'm gonna close with it. So nenga ko subscribe.
Sure.
Nizosipona next week, another Saturday next week ngo 12 over to kiga yena kana la madia munna msibidi khaitsa mapula na masakhe peace na boy mukale phe ko mole munya go dira se aya se dirao okungekho khaya kuzoletha yimi kimudida matepe samchakidi akere we
Thank God.
Hi there, welcome back to Skates News on We Are Here, #Sila Podcast and Comedy. Well, I'm your news reader, Kinampeteng Mukhokwa Makhaki. I'm here today to read your news. Well, Mteleji, Agriculture Mteleji, Telejare, Ditaba. Re kry-ile ditaba re kry-ile concern ka mo go ba TikTok ba di-manager tsa TikTok ba re they are complaining about Tsekeleke wa robala during the live, Tsekeleke wa phenya during the live. So ne ba re gopela gore re gale Tsekeleke, so re gopela gore Dr. Malinga please re gale Tsekeleke ka mora tloelo phenya during the live a record. Let me show you the video.
wena ne go gopola tswa monna mosadi ya ka tlo bese mo setsa morago o buisa bolela bo slam mo TikTok e dilo mo tsona tseo.
Alright, so there gore tsekele ka sare wa bolele no TikTok ke dilo man tsona tse. Just imagine live on TikTok. Come on man, we know gore tsekeleke maybe is not mentally gifted in here, but sometimes mara tse dingwe ba mogaleng guys. Moving on to our news. So again, Dr. Malinga le ena o rometse a complainer. We must re gale ba re ke mamshimane wa ka mo Limpopo ka mo tuma ba re ke Skomota. A re gale Skomota a re rena re be careful re ha ka Skomota during public, because Skomota wa clapana guys. So bethile Dr. Malinga ka mpama unexpected. That guy a gona go lla during the public, but I will show you. Let me show you the video. Alright, ubone more Skomota jina. So, studio siya shake. Moving forward to our news. As Dr. Malinga sa gona go lla during the public, so o bone gore a yolla ko McG kwa yolla private ko McG a lele di chillers gore nte dirang Skomota I right, because that guy he couldn't even explain. While he was about to explain, he just cried a river. Cry me a river. Let me show you.
Let me pause. I used to give people that don't give me.
Alright, moving forward then. As you know, or on the street, we got our man there, Josias. Josias. Okay, my man, better, yeah. I'm on the street, my man. I'm with some guy. I don't even know his name. I think it's Chisama. I don't know, Chisama or something. He says that he's here to speak for the foreigners. So let me put it in. On the platform so you can speak whatever you wanna speak. Okay. Is chasing away the foreigners now. So the foreigners are striking all along Barbona. They'll never leave. Anyege basasakhela, anyege basasgunda, anyege basasithungela icathulo. So bonke baye complain manje ukuthi ba strikeile. So nathi as we are the country, we don't know ukuthi so lungisela ubani izindlu zethu gas, because Eskom ayisasatheni sesibiza bona labantu laba bangaphandle. Let me show you the video. Josias.
Xosha abantu bePitori ngoba asebe South Africa. Bahleli nabo, amihambi. Migwazeni. This is too early. Migwazeni vela mchigila. Miyakhire futhi akhuluma nespeed. Midulile. Migwazeni ke. Ngikupela migwaze. I just really don't understand. Nakopela. Amasaluna valiwe, shoemaker valiwe. Building imile. Isimende. Building material. Amiyaki. Nkasi yaki. Akirina nikosha. Let's danga dance for kulumisuti. Akirina nikosha. Nikoshenke. Ikhathulo zi crom. Khona mama ufuna isithende this weekend. Uye emncwabeni. Usibani. Mikwetsi la. Bikwelile. Mikwetsi. Mara France. Isithende. Khobela isithende. Ingasikhona ukubula. Ngikabula banchise. And not get good doll.
Yeah, so that was our news from our man Chisama. Chisama is from Zimbabwe. He says that he was speaking for the foreigners, that all MK was doing is wrong. So that was our news for today. Back to you, Mukhoki. Oh, thank you, Josias. That was so special. So the complain is about if you want to chase a foreigner, start with the Nigerians. So let's Nigeria. You go foresee nothing. Start with them. How? Let's go remember to Wakamodi outside the neighbors. But those are neighbors. Zimbabwe is Mozambicans. Even Lesotho is not even a neighbor, it's inside our country. Kima fela di taba tja rena tje mtheletše mlaleli a ke motšaro mlaleli o laleletša next week I thank you.
Sila, 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 location. Sila, Sila, Sila.